goes. It's Mitchell Watkins on pole with his teammate Johnny Edwin outside of him on the front row. As the field approaches the restart zone, coming to the green flag, we are racing here in Denver. Mitchell Watkins maintains the lead as they head down the back straightaway for the first of 33 times here today. Noah Flock trying to go underneath Johnny Edwin for second, but Edwin is strong heading into turns 3 and 4, and he's going to maintain his second position right behind his teammate Mitchell Watkins as here they come down to the front straightaway.